The DJI Osmo Action 6 is generating serious buzz, and for good reason. When it comes to action cameras, every new release sets the bar higher, and this model looks ready to shake things up. With whispers of improved stabilization, sharper video quality, and powerful new features, it's clear DJI wants this to be more than just a small upgrade. But the real question is simple. Can it deliver where it matters most? Adventurers want durability, vloggers want clarity, and creators want flexibility. So this camera has a lot to prove. In today's breakdown, we're diving into the design, the rumored performance, and the innovations that might make this camera a must-have for 2025. Whether you're into extreme sports, casual travel clips, or professional-grade content creation, the Osmo Action 6 could be a game-changer. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's see if this little powerhouse has what it takes to become your go-to adventure camera. Design and build quality. The Osmo Action 6 looks set to continue the rugged, waterproof tradition that DJI has built over the years. The design seems to focus on usability, with a larger front screen and slimmer bezels, making it easier to frame shots quickly. The rear touchscreen remains bright and responsive, allowing for fast adjustments on the fly. Durability is still at the core, which means you can expect it to hold up in rough conditions while staying compatible with existing mounts and accessories. This kind of practical refinement may not be flashy, but it shows DJI is listening to what users actually need. Sensor and video capabilities. The most exciting rumor by far is the introduction of a 1-inch sensor. This would be a major jump from the Action 5 Pro's smaller sensor, potentially offering much stronger low-light results and better detail in high-contrast scenes. For creators, this means crisper night footage, richer colors, and more flexibility when editing. There's also speculation about video recording capabilities reaching up to 8K or at least 5.3K resolution. If that's true, it pushes the Action 6 closer to professional territory, making it not just a tool for casual adventure clips, but a serious option for filmmakers and content creators. Battery and power improvements. Endurance is always critical for action cameras, and early leaks suggest dual battery options with higher capacities. This could mean longer shooting sessions without the constant need to recharge. Imagine hiking all day, biking across trails, or spending hours surfing, and knowing your camera can keep up with the action. Swappable batteries would also give creators more flexibility, especially during extended trips where charging isn't always possible. Connectivity upgrades. DJI seems to be focusing on making the Osmo Action 6 more connected than ever. Improved wireless systems like Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi are rumored, which should mean more reliable app control, quicker file transfers, and smoother live streaming. For those who use action cameras to share adventures in real time, these enhancements could make a huge difference. Stabilization evolution. Stabilization is at the heart of every action camera, and DJI's Rocksteady system has already been impressive. The Osmo Action 6 might bring an improved version, possibly powered by AI. This would mean smoother footage even in the bumpiest conditions, whether you're mountain biking, skiing, or simply running with the camera in hand. If DJI can deliver on this, it could set a new standard for handheld stability in the action camera market. Storage and workflow. Rumors also suggest that internal storage might double compared to the previous model, which would be a big help for creators who don't want to rely solely on memory cards. Other potential features include optical zoom, flat log profiles for advanced color grading, better heat management to prevent shutdowns, and faster tap-to-record functions. These sound like small details, but together they add up to a camera that feels more professional and easier to work with. Creators will especially appreciate the added flexibility for workflows, since not every adventure gives you the luxury of editing on a computer right away. Release timing. Most signs point to a launch around autumn 2025, keeping with DJI's regular release patterns. This timing aligns well with how they've refreshed the Action line in the past, and it gives the Osmo Action 6 a clear path to shine before the holiday season. For fans, it means the wait isn't too long before we see if all these exciting rumors become reality. Overall impression. The DJI Osmo Action 6 seems to be more than just an incremental upgrade. If the leaks are accurate, this camera combines rugged design, higher performance, and creator-focused features in a way that could make it one of the top choices in the market. It's shaping up to be powerful, versatile, not reliable. I'd say exactly what adventurers and creators are hoping for. So, there you have it. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is already making waves before its official debut. From the rumors of a bigger sensor and sharper resolution to longer battery life and smarter stabilization, it's easy to see why people are calling this a potential game changer. Whether you're chasing adrenaline-filled moments or documenting everyday adventures, this camera seems built to adapt to any challenge you throw at it. What excites me most is how DJI is blending pro-level upgrades with the rugged reliability we've come to expect from their Action line. But now it's your turn. What do you think? Is the Osmo Action 6 shaping up to be the perfect companion for your adventures? Or are you waiting to see what else the market has to offer? Drop your thoughts below because we at Factic always love hearing from the community. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Factic. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tech updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing your limits with Factic by your side.